Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Outlier AI, a platform that claims that you can earn money by helping train artificial intelligence. That sounds interesting, right? But the big question is this quick money or just another online scam? Well, let's see what Outlier AI is, how it works, who it's for, how much you can realistically earn, the pros and cons, and finally, whether it's worth your time. Outlier AI is an online platform that connects human experts with companies building artificial intelligence models. The idea is simple. AI still needs humans to help it learn, improve, and avoid mistakes. Outlier acts as the middleman, matching contributors with AI-related tasks. Instead of doing traditional freelancing like writing blog posts or designing logos, your role on Outlier is more about evaluating, also about correcting and guiding AI responses. You're essentially helping AI become more accurate, more human-like, and safer to use. Outlier positions itself as a flexible remote opportunity. There are no fixed working hours, no office, and no requirement to work every day. You also get a competitive pay with quality-based rewards and free access to paid AI models like GPT-5 Deep Research, Claude Sonnet, and more. You log in, you see what tasks are available, and you choose whether or not to work. One key thing to understand is that Outlier is not for everyone. It's designed for people who have some form of expertise. This could be writing, language fluency, math, science, coding, or even analytical thinking. You don't need to be an AI engineer, but you need to demonstrate that you understand the subject area that you're applying for. So the steps to apply are very simple. You create your profile, you import and review skills. Outlier projects require specific skills, so you import your skills from LinkedIn and your resume. You also verify your identity. The verification process is very fast, and you verify the skills, then start earning. What are the main features of Outlier AI? Flexible remote work. One of the biggest selling points of Outlier AI is flexibility. There are no shifts, no schedules, and no pressure to work a certain number of hours. This makes it appealing for students, freelancers, or anyone looking for a side hustle. AI training and evaluation tasks. The core work involves things like reviewing AI-generated responses, ranking answers, correcting mistakes, writing sample prompts, or grading AI outputs. These tasks help AI models learn what good and bad responses look like. Skill-based assignments. Outlier doesn't give everyone the same tasks. Instead, tasks are assigned based on your skills and assessment results. Someone with writing skills might evaluate text, while someone with technical skills may work on logic or code-related tasks. Quality-based rewards. The platform emphasizes accuracy and consistency. Contributors who deliver high-quality work are more likely to remain active and receive ongoing assignments. Exposure to AI tools. For people interested in AI, this platform offers hands-on experience to how modern AI systems are trained and improved, which can be valuable experience for future opportunities. Now, what is the pricing like? As earlier mentioned, because Outlier AI is a form of remote work opportunity, it's interesting to know that they don't charge you anything to join. No subscription fees, no sign-up costs, and no hidden payments required from you. Instead, you get paid instead for completed tasks. But this is where you need to be realistic. There's no fixed salary and there's no guaranteed hourly rates. Some tasks pay better than others, and work availability can also fluctuate. There might be a week that you see tasks available and another week that you might not see anyone at all. Payments are typically processed on a regular schedule once tasks are approved, but earnings can vary widely between contributors. So what are the pros and cons of using Outlier AI? First, the pros. Very flexible work schedule, no upfront cost to join, it is people first, they are serious about safety, and is a good side hustle for skilled users. What about the cons? Well, task availability might be inconsistent. The earnings are not guaranteed, and there's limited transparency on exact pay rates. It's not suitable for people that are looking for fast and easy money. So now the big question is Outlier AI quick money or is it a scam? Well, the honest answer is it's not a scam, but it's not also quick money. Outlier AI is a real platform with real work. People do get paid for legitimate tasks, and the company clearly operates in the AI space. But that said, it's not a guaranteed income stream, and it's definitely not a get rich quick opportunity. If you go in expecting daily tasks, stable incomes, or high pay without effort, you will likely be disappointed. The work availability depends heavily on demand, and competition can be high. So, no, it's not a scam, but no, it's not also a magic money machine. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore remote tasks, traditional freelancing platforms, and AI research or data labeling jobs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.